Are you retired? Disabled? Unemployed? Here is news nobody asked for, but going to get anyway. Welcome to Prime Retirement News Vlog. I am your host, Dolores from Urban Influence on YouTube. You should check some of my other videos out. Today, let's talk about ways to make your golden years truly golden. Today, we're diving into affiliate marketing and how you can earn passive income, even if you're retired or disabled. Affiliate marketing is a simple, yet powerful way to earn money online. Here's how it works. You promote products or services from other companies on your blog, social media, or YouTube channel. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Popular affiliate programs include Amazon Associates, Walmart, Best Buy, Home Depot, and many, many more stores. These mega stores offer a wide range of products you can promote, from household items to garden, lawn equipment, and how-to courses. To get started, sign up for an affiliate program from your favorite store, choose products that match your interests or expertise, and create content that provides value and engages your audience. Remember, the key to success is trust and authenticity. Recommend only products you believe in. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it allows you to earn passive income from home online. Once your content is out there, it can generate commissions while you focus on enjoying your retirement or managing your disability. Affiliate marketing can be a game changer for anyone looking to supplement their income. Stay tuned to Prime Retirement News Vlog for more tips and strategies on living your best retired life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for my next video release. See you next time. Thank you for watching. I am your host, Dolores. Until next time.